Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss the next videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all updates. I know what you're wondering. What is the most spherical object in the universe? At first glance, the answer might seem quite simple. Any celestial body with enough mass to exert a significant gravitational force should tend to have a spherical shape. After all, gravity acts uniformly in all directions and, in theory, should shape a celestial body into the most symmetrical form possible, trying to minimize potential energy. So, it makes sense to think that planets, stars, and even the most massive asteroids should generally be spherical, right? In fact, gravity is the main factor influencing the shape of a celestial body. When an object has sufficient mass, the gravitational force it exerts is strong enough to overcome the cohesive forces of the material that composes it. Gravity then acts to deform the body and distribute it evenly, trying to achieve a shape that minimizes its energy, namely, a sphere. This phenomenon, known as hydrostatic equilibrium, explains why larger planets, like Earth, Mars, and Jupiter, are almost perfectly spherical. The same logic applies to many stars, which, due to their enormous mass, also tend to form highly symmetrical structures. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite gravity's tendency to push toward a spherical shape, reality is much more complex. Several factors cause irregularities, preventing celestial bodies from achieving absolute sphericity. One of these factors is a celestial body's rotation. When an object spins on itself, centrifugal force comes into play, pushing material outward, especially at the equator. This phenomenon causes most planets and stars to be not perfect spheres but rather oblate spheroids, bodies slightly flattened at the poles and wider at the equator. For example, Saturn is a clear example of this phenomenon. Its equatorial radius is about 10% larger than its polar radius, a direct result of its rapid rotation. Another case is Earth, which, although it appears almost spherical at first glance, actually has a slight distortion. Its equatorial radius is about 21 kilometers larger than its polar radius. This means that Earth is an ellipsoid, not a perfect sphere. Stars also exhibit similar behavior. Vega, one of the brightest stars in the night sky, is another example of a body that is not a perfect sphere. Its rapid rotation causes its equatorial diameter to be about 20% larger than its polar diameter. If Vega were to spin even faster, centrifugal force could even tear it apart, collapsing its structure. So, while gravity works to maintain symmetry, rotation is a key factor that causes some distortion, creating imperfect spheres. So then, what is the closest thing to a perfect sphere in the universe? If we want to find a celestial body that comes as close as possible to a spherical shape, we need to look at the most compact and dense objects in the universe, neutron stars. These incredible entities are the remnants of the supernova explosion of a massive star. Despite having a mass that can exceed that of the Sun, their diameter is surprisingly small, ranging between 20 and 30 kilometers. This means that the density of a neutron star is incredibly high. To give you an idea, a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. The gravity exerted by a neutron star is so powerful that any surface irregularity is immediately flattened. Additionally, its internal structure is governed by the physics of degenerate matter, a condition that tends to maintain an extremely symmetrical shape. But despite these extraordinary characteristics, neutron stars begin their lives spinning at incredible speeds. Some of them can rotate hundreds of times per second, as in the case of millisecond pulsars. This rapid rotation causes neutron stars to be slightly oblate, just like planets. Over time, however, many neutron stars gradually slow down, mainly due to the emission of electromagnetic radiation and the loss of rotational energy. The oldest neutron stars, which have almost completely slowed their rotation, are therefore likely the most spherical objects the universe has ever produced. In fact, when these neutron stars stop spinning, their shape becomes incredibly symmetrical, approaching a perfect sphere. Here are some fascinating facts about neutron stars. Smooth surface. The surface of a neutron star might have variations in altitude of just a few millimeters, making it potentially more spherical than any other known celestial body. Extreme gravity. The gravity on the surface of a neutron star is about 200 billion times stronger than on Earth. At such force, even the most compact matter would undergo immense compression. Impossible sound. If we could listen to a neutron star, we would hear sounds at extremely high frequencies since some of them spin so fast that they emit radio signals hundreds of times per second. Unimaginable density. If we compressed all of humanity to the density of a neutron star, it would occupy the space of a single grain of sand. Even though we cannot directly observe neutron stars with optical telescopes, thanks to the electromagnetic pulses they emit, we can study them and gather vital information about their structure. Calculations suggest that if we were to award the title of most spherical object in the universe, the gold medal would go to neutron stars. While planets and normal stars are distorted by rotation, the oldest and slowest neutron stars are likely the most perfectly spherical objects the universe has ever produced, leading to the conclusion that, in terms of symmetry and shape, neutron stars are probably the celestial bodies that come closest to the idea of a perfect sphere in the universe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.